Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be showing my son Maximus how to drive manual in an Acura NSX. Now Max has never driven before. He's 15, but what we did is we showed him a little bit of videos and we talked to him at home first, and we're going to call that ground school. We'll put those videos in the link so you guys could probably do the same thing. But then we came out here and we worked on the clutch, and now we're ready to make a video so we could show you guys how we're showing Max how to drive a manual car. So Max, before we start, do you have anything to say?
It's going to be exciting and amazing. I can't wait. I can't wait.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, what better way to start than letting Max tell you guys what he's going to do first? All right, Max, what are you doing first?
All right, we're putting the shift. We're going to see if the shifter's on neutral position by wiggling it. It looks like it is. Now we're going to release the e-brake up and then down because we're on level ground. Now, with my right foot on the brake and my left foot on the clutch, we're going to start putting in the key. Now we're going to release the hand fast.
Okay, so when you said I'm going to get my hands off of it fast, what did you mean by that? What were you trying to get your hands off of fast?
I'm going to get my hand off the key fast.
All right, and he's doing that because one of the most common mistakes people do when they're learning to drive is that they start the car and they leave that on the starter mode and it could ruin the starter. So it was important for Max to learn that once the car started to get his hands off of the key so we don't damage that starter. All right, so Max is a little nervous. I mean, we were all nervous when we did this, but we're gonna go ahead and walk through this with Max, and we're gonna show you guys how we showed him how to get the car moving and working towards first gear. All right, guys, the next thing we're doing is we're gonna be practicing with the clutch, and this is gonna be important because we want Max to get familiar with the clutch operation, and what better way than playing with the bite point. And what that is that he's gonna be releasing the clutch until the vehicle starts moving slowly, and then he's gonna put the clutch back in so he can start getting an idea of how that clutch works and how the car moves with it. All right, Max, go ahead and start working with that. Remember, put the clutch in. Once it starts moving, don't let go of the clutch. Nice, I see the car moving, good job. Nice, nice. Now remember, do it slowly, and when the car starts moving, just leave it there. Don't move it further up or down. Good job, good job. All right, keep trying that a little bit, but don't let go of the clutch. Do you feel that engagement point?
I feel that engagement.
Okay. Nice, nice. Look at that, Max. All right, now we're gonna move on to actually going a little farther with that. Now, what I want you to do, it might be a little scary because you might kill the clutch, but when the car starts moving, I want you to release the clutch just a tiny bit, not all the way, and see if you get rolling. Good, yep. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. That is perfect. Okay, Max, I think we're ready to move on to the next step. All right, so one of the most important things about the clutch and gas transition is learning some throttle control. So the first time Max hit the throttle, he almost hit redline because he didn't know how the throttle responds. So the main thing we're gonna do is teaching him how to maintain a certain position in the throttle. So Max, go ahead and maintain the throttle between 1,000 and 2,000 RPMs. So that's 1,500 RPMs. And maintain that for about 10 seconds. Try to get it right there in the in between mark. So you want 1,500. Good job, good job. You're at 1,600, but that's fine. So this becomes kind of a game for the young drivers, but it's really good because it teaches them throttle control. And I think that's gonna help him out whenever he's learning how to do the gas and clutch transition. All right, guys, Max is gonna see if he can get rolling, and I'm excited. So what Max is gonna do is gonna use what he did in practice with the clutch. He's gonna rock the car a little bit, get it moving, and then we're gonna implement the gas by using that gas throttle kind of technique that we just used and see if we could get him going. All right, Max, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna release the clutch and just feel that bite again, get the car moving. And then in the second time, you're gonna wanna do that where you're gonna release the clutch a little bit more until the car's moving, and you're gonna introduce the gas and then let go of the clutch completely, and you're driving.
All right,
all right, guys, all right. So he's in first, naturally. Good job.
One more time, practice.
Okay. And press the brake, because since if the car's rocking, that's going to add a little bit of extra force. But once you're good again, start again.
All right.
It's okay. It's okay. We're learning here. Let's go ahead and start the car again.
All right.
So where should your gear level be?
Even when you feel low,
Woohoo,
you
you
can
did
still
it!
go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
All right, now straighten yourself out in the middle of here. And then we're gonna make one more turn, and then we're gonna see if we can get you to second gear. So go ahead and go down, and right here in between these two poles, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and make a turn. Don't start your turn too quick, but remember, always don't press the gas. Keep turning, turn. All right, straighten it out. So that is both exciting and wild that Max drove for the first time, and he got first gear pretty good. He did kill it a couple times, but now we're gonna learn second, and then we're gonna call it a day, because that's a lot of learning for one day. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rolling again and use everything that we learned. And then I told Max what we're gonna do with the second gear is that we're gonna put the clutch in, then we're gonna put into second, and then release the clutch. The only difference is that between first gear and second gear, you can release the clutch a little quicker and a little smoother because the car is already rolling and it's a little more synchronized. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, wish us luck. Nice, good job. Keep the car straight. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way down, and then we're gonna make a turn, and then we'll there we go, pick up a little more speed, and then you're gonna try second gear. You got this, Max. Clutch in, second gear in, and clutch out. Go. All right, guys. Well, Max did it. How do you feel, Max?
A little terrified and a little excited.
He peeled out on second. We got to learn that we add gas after we change gears, but I think that is inherently in him to want to peel out. Well, guys, I hope you learned something. This was exciting, and Max, I think you did a great job, especially learning how to drive a car in manual in an NSX. Well, guys, thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.